Hello everybody, and thank you for joining us in this tutorial today. My name is Katie with Sola Wood Flowers, and this is going to be a very fun project. We are going to be making a heartboard in some Valentine's Day themed colors for the upcoming holiday. We are going to start with just a wood board and some dyed Sola wood flowers. We have a variety of different types of flowers here, different sizes, as well as some awesome colors. We've got some reds, some purples, and some pinks, perfect for the holiday. We are just going to start by gluing our flowers right to our wood board. We're going to start here with a larger flower. It gives us a good starting point to build our heart shape around. We're going to make sure that we add a variety of colors, kind of spreading out our purples, pinks, and reds so we don't end up with all red on one side and all purple on the other, just mixing it up. Now that we have a good base of flowers going, we want to start being conscious of the shape. Here's where we want to start working towards that heart shape. As you can see, we have the point of our heart down there at the bottom, and we're going to work on rounding out the tops. Having a wide variety of shapes and sizes of flowers is really helpful to have when making a craft like this. That way you can take a little flower and squeeze it into tight spaces where you might have a gap or something maybe isn't looking quite right. The little flowers are super helpful to have to fill in those weird spaces. Now that we have all of our flowers added in a heart shape, we have a very pretty piece to display for the holiday season. We hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. We hope you have a great day and happy crafting.